Bring it up. I'm gonna go to File, Input Source Browser, and open up something called the Source Browser. So I know that I have some media here on my drive. So I'm gonna here on my drive, I'm gonna go into here, and I'm gonna go into this folder, and in this folder, I'm gonna look for this folder called Northlands. I'm gonna convert this all to DNx HD standard quality. You can research which resolution you wanna work with. We'll just take 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm holding down Shift, and I'm just gonna put them into this new Northlands bin. It's gonna transcode these files and put them onto a drive called Media Storage. And I'm gonna say Import. It's gonna give me a warning message. What do you wanna do? Do you wanna preserve the video resolution, or do you wanna change the video resolution of the media creation settings? I kinda like DNx HD, or maybe I just say, you know what? If you work fine with XDCam, I'll stick with XDCam. In this case, you decide. And what it's gonna do, it's gonna convert these files.